Let's talk about something that's often whispered about but affects millions: constipation. This common issue can be a source of discomfort and embarrassment, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Constipation affects people of all ages, backgrounds, and lifestyles. It's a topic that deserves more open discussion and understanding. It's more common than you think, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, nearly everyone experiences constipation at some point in their lives. The key is to understand what it is, why it happens, and how to manage it effectively. We've all been there, feeling that familiar discomfort and wondering what's going on inside. Constipation can cause a range of symptoms, from bloating and abdominal pain to a general feeling of unease. It can disrupt your daily routine and affect your overall well-being. The good news is, understanding constipation is the first step to finding relief. By learning about the causes and contributing factors, you can take proactive steps to prevent and alleviate this condition. Consulting with healthcare professionals can provide valuable insights and personalized advice. Let's dive in and uncover the truth about this common ailment. Constipation can be caused by a variety of factors, including diet, hydration, physical activity, and even stress. By addressing these factors, you can improve your digestive health and reduce the likelihood of experiencing constipation. Constipation can affect anyone, regardless of age, background, or lifestyle. It's important to recognize that this is a universal issue, and seeking help or making lifestyle changes is a positive step towards better health. Simple adjustments like increasing fiber intake, staying hydrated, and maintaining an active lifestyle can make a significant difference. It's time to break the silence and address this issue head-on. Open conversations about constipation can lead to better understanding and support. Sharing experiences and solutions can help others feel less isolated and more empowered to take control of their digestive health. By understanding the causes, myths, and solutions, we can all find lasting relief and improve our digestive well-being. Remember, taking care of your digestive health is an essential part of overall wellness. Let's work together to create a healthier, more informed community. Constipation is clinically defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week. However, it's more than just infrequent trips to the bathroom. It's about the consistency of your stool, the difficulty in passing it, and the discomfort it can cause. Hard, dry stools that are difficult to pass are telltale signs of constipation. Straining during bowel movements, feeling bloated and uncomfortable, and experiencing abdominal pain are also common symptoms. These symptoms can significantly impact your quality of life, affecting your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. So, what causes constipation? Several factors can contribute to this digestive dilemma. One of the most common culprits is a low-fiber diet. Fiber, found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, adds bulk to your stool and helps it move smoothly through your digestive system. Another common culprit is dehydration. When you don't drink enough fluids, your body pulls water from your colon, making your stool hard and difficult to pass. A sedentary lifestyle can also contribute to constipation. Regular physical activity helps stimulate bowel movements and keeps things moving along. There are many myths surrounding constipation, and it's time to debunk them. One common myth is that you need to have a bowel movement every day. While some people do, it's perfectly normal to have bowel movements less frequently, as long as it's regular for you. Another myth is that laxatives are a harmless solution. While laxatives can provide temporary relief, long-term use can lead to dependence and other digestive issues. It's always best to address the root cause of constipation rather than relying on quick fixes. Section 5. Solutions at your fingertips. Simple changes, big relief. The good news is that there are many simple yet effective solutions to combat constipation. These solutions are not only easy to implement but can also bring significant relief and improve your overall digestive health. Start by gradually increasing your fiber intake. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool and helps it pass more easily through your intestines. Aim for 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day from sources like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These foods are not only rich in fiber, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Make sure you're adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps to soften the stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Aim for 8 glasses a day, more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining the balance of fluids in your body and supporting all bodily functions. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Physical activity helps stimulate the muscles in your intestines, promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation. Even a brisk walk can stimulate bowel movements and promote regularity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to keep your digestive system functioning optimally. Additionally, managing stress through activities like meditation, journaling, or deep breathing exercises can have a positive impact on your digestive health. Stress can affect your gut, so finding ways to relax and unwind is essential. By making these simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can experience significant relief from constipation and improve your overall well-being. Remember, small steps can lead to big improvements in your health. Section 6. Fiber, the unsung hero of digestive harmony. Fiber is an essential component of our diet that often goes unnoticed, yet it plays a crucial role in maintaining our digestive health and overall well-being. Let's dive deeper into the importance of fiber. Fiber is found in plant-based foods and is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. Despite this, it is incredibly beneficial. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestive system. It helps regulate the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. This can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements, which is essential for a healthy digestive tract. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. These beneficial bacteria play a significant role in digestion, immune function, and even mental health. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Both types are important for different reasons and can be found in various foods. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that slows down digestion. This can help control blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your digestive system more easily. This type of fiber is key in preventing digestive issues like constipation and promoting overall gut health. Incorporating a variety of high-fiber foods into your diet is essential. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are excellent sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber. By making fiber a regular part of your meals, you can support your digestive system, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So let's celebrate fiber, the unsung hero of digestive harmony, and make it a staple in our daily diet. Section 7. Hydration, exercise, and regularity, a powerful trio. Hydration, exercise, and regularity work synergistically to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. When you're dehydrated, your body conserves water by pulling it from your colon, making your stool hard and dry. Exercise helps stimulate bowel movements by increasing blood flow to your digestive system and strengthening the muscles that move food through your intestines. Establishing a regular bowel routine can also be helpful. Try going to the bathroom at the same time each day, even if you don't feel the urge. Section 8. Listen to your gut. Stress management and natural remedies. Stress can wreak havoc on your digestive system, including contributing to constipation. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight-or-flight mode, diverting blood flow away from your digestive system. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Some natural remedies, such as prunes, kiwi fruit, and magnesium citrate, can also provide relief from constipation. However, it's always best to consult with your doctor before trying any new supplements. Section 9. When to seek help. Don't ignore the warning signs. While constipation is usually harmless and easily treatable, there are some red flags to watch out for. If you experience sudden changes in bowel habits, blood in your stool, unexplained weight loss, or severe abdominal pain, consult with your doctor immediately. These symptoms could indicate a more serious underlying medical condition that requires prompt medical attention. Remember, listening to your body and seeking professional help when needed is crucial for your overall health and well-being.